So today we're going to talk about having a backup for your backup. I told you guys I'm starting to work out. The first part of my journey over 6 years ago consisted of just getting my eating regimen down packed, eating decent foods, more fruits and vegetables. I started off by adding fruit with every meal, and then I added smoothies to that and additional pieces of fruit to that, then adding more vegetables with the salads. And so now it is time for me to work out. It is time for me to work out. Y'all thought I was playing.
You hear that click? That's the sound of truth.
I started about 6 months ago where I want to be 100% consistent. At times through this journey, I walked here and there, but I would always stop. I would go for like 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 6 months at a time, and I would always stop. So this time I'm 6 months on. I started off hiking. So I walk at 6 a.m. with one person, then I would walk at 8:30 a.m. with another person. All right, so our morning walk is complete. There was a seeming safety issue with the person I was walking with at 8:30. So she told me she didn't want to walk at 8:30 anymore because family members, loved ones, significant others were feeling concerned about her walking at 8:30 in the morning where there weren't a lot of people around. She could no longer walk with me. But what she didn't know was I was walking twice a day anyway. I was walking at 6 and at 8:30. So you have to put contingency plans in place. So the point is you got to have a backup for your backup. I am going to eat a salad for lunch. That's your plan. That's your goal. But you got to have some stuff in your car already, in your purse already. My dad told me to never be caught with my pants down. Y'all see my food? You're not supposed to show. You're not supposed to show your face.
I'm not fooling with you. I'm eating.
This is why I bring my own food, because temptation is everywhere. Don't get caught, beauties. Never leave home without it. The point is, always have a backup for your backup. I didn't know I was missing a butt, but my dress still cute. Thank you for tuning in to Inward Beauty, where we remind beauties everywhere of how beauty starts within.